തനിതങ്കത്തിന പൊങ്ക് കവിതാരം പിടിക്കുമ്പോൾ അഴകിനെ വിളിക്കുന്നു നിറവീരും കളിക്കുന്നു.
Welcome to Anjudev vlogs. A very good day to all my lovely viewers. This time it's gonna be a vlog on how to paint on your own, that too a budget which is gonna be less than 1000 rupees. Day 1 we went into a shop to buy whatever is required for the painting. So this is gem paint, so you can go in for any brand of your choice. So this comes for 250 rupees for 1 liter. This is crack paste, so only if your walls have any cracks, in that case you will have to buy this. This is for 220 rupees. These are the roller brush, so this comes definitely less than 100 rupees. We got two because we thought we both will do together, and maybe our sister will also come in. And this is the paint brush, and this is for 90 rupees. This is mainly to paint on the edges, so this is also required. This is the putty blade. This is especially if you have cracks and if you want to fill this crack paste, this is very well required. And the last one is the sandpaper. So we got 3 because you can see lot of dirt paintings. I mean, our nephew has already drawn so many paintings here. So for all those we will have to remove that so that the paint should come in a good coating. So for that we got the sandpaper 3, and definitely this cost very less. So altogether if you count, definitely it comes within 1000 rupees. One more thing is there which we are yet to purchase, which is the mixing tray. We couldn't find it in the shop where we went, so we have to go and find it somewhere else because he told it's already been sold out. So we will have to buy that, so that I'll give you the information soon. Day 2, today we are going to fix the cracks in this apartment. And if you take this wall as an example, you can find some cracks here. So today's task is mainly to fix these because it requires around 8 hours. For like first coating we have to wait for 4 hours, then only we can put the next coating. So altogether it will take 8 hours for that to dry and get set for our painting to start with. So let's start with this activity. This painting ladder we somehow got from this apartment. The security had it already, so we just got it here. See, Shyaam has started the work. We will have to make it bigger so that we will be able to put the crack paste inside that. We should have lot of patience to do this. Now Shyaam got the mask so that the powder doesn't go in and create allergy. Looks like the wall is really dirty. We will have to do lot of work with the sandpaper. Now if the cracks are made bigger, it's time to apply the crack paste. Make sure that you immediately close the lid. It should be air tightened, otherwise the crack paste can get hardened. So now we have to fill inside those cracks. Dear, so we also took the help of YouTube. We went into a lot of vlogs to understand how to do this. Otherwise it's not going to be that easy. So we thought we will also should put up such a vlog so that in case you guys are also trying, you will have all these steps to complete this painting. So if you can see, the cracks are closed now with this paste, and if you have a smooth surface, that's going to help you when you start with the painting. So once you apply this, you will have to wait for 4 hours. After that you have to apply a second coat. I'll come back after 4 hours. Yes, we are back after 4 hours. The crack cream is well set. We can't find any cracks now, so we decided not to do one more coating. This should be fine. When we checked on the other side of wall, we can find a small crack. I mean, we can do one more coating to get more finishing. So we thought only for this wall we will do one more coating with the crack cream. Yes, anyways we decided to paint our house on our own. It reminds me of some celebration, some festival feel. That is when I noticed Raksha bandhan is coming up. So in between, we'll go watch our Raksha bandhan celebration with my dear brother Nikki. So go watch and get back for the remaining painting session. Dears, to have a brother, it need not be connected through blood. It can be sometimes through heart as well. Such a treasure I got from my office is my brother Nikki. Our relationship kept building through our dance practice, our dance team, then our friendship outings and all. And every year we try to celebrate our relationship bonding through Raksha Bandhan. And here we are about to start with this celebration.
This Raksha Bandhan, I wanted to gift my dear sister with something she would really love and be happy for. One such brand is the Zouk bag, which she always adds onto her collection. I'm sure this is going to enhance her personality for the kind of vibrant and passionate girl that she is. So I decided to gift this beautiful bag, which will definitely be the right add-on to her style and confidence.
Happy
Happy
Raksha
Raksha Bandhan.
Bandhan!
Zouk bags, bringing the vibrant Indian culture to the modern world. You can find a fusion of contemporary and traditional patterns in their bags. Zouk bags are cruelty free, 100% PETA approved vegan brand, and are proudly Indian handcrafted bags. Use my promo code YTANJU15 for 15% off in case you choose to shop from this beautiful brand.
Dears, today, the third day, let's go and see how the cracked paste has got settled. So now the wall is ready for painting. We did rub with the sandpaper and everything is set now. So let's go start with the main activity, the painting. Let's now go to the paint mixing part. So here it's clearly written, this product can be diluted up to 40% with water. So that is a maximum wherein we can dilute with water. So we thought we will go for 70-30, that is 70% of paint and 30% of water. We got this mixing tray as well. This is around 150 rupees. We are using this mug for mixing the paint. So let's start with it. And the water is also kept ready. If you have some gloves, you can use that also, otherwise the paint and all will get stuck onto your hands. Now going for 30% of water. Now getting all excited now. We are using the tip of a toothbrush to mix it properly. So Chinchu has come now. Chinchu, the real painter, has come to our house. So dears, so we got this rod from our bathroom brush. So this is fitting exactly to this so that we could make it lengthier. For the application of paint, you can find two methods. One is go straight, take a slanting line, straight, slanting line, straight, and then get back straight. So this is one method. Second method is you can go straight itself till here, and again you can take the straight line back. So these are the two methods. So both work out effectively, so you can choose according to your comfort. So we are dipping it here, taking it towards the side, rolling it over so that the brush will be equally covered with the paint. Now let's take it to the wall. You can use newspaper below so that it doesn't splash down on your floor. So done with the first coat, but down we can see a lot of paint drops which we will have to wash it immediately. Better to put some paper, so we will put some paper now. We are also trying for the first time. If you're already experienced, please don't laugh at us. So now we will remove the tube and all. Actually our own house is getting constructed, so I think this experience is going to help us there as well. So I think Chinchu will do the entire villa. If you actually go for a darker shade, you can even hide out all these drawings and all if it has not gone properly. But in our case, this is not our own apartment, this is a rented one. So we cannot change the color like however we wish. Now it's Shyam's turn. The tallest person will work out on the heights. We can cover these switchboards with a sticker. We couldn't find a sticker, so it's okay now. Yeah, good finishing. Chinchu is experienced, I think, the way she is doing. Anybody can hire Chinchu for this service. So dears, we are done with the first coating. Wherever the crack paste is seen more, we thought we will apply paint without mixing water on top of that, so that the white color is not seen much. As I said, if you want more professional painting, you can think of applying wall care putty on that. Now we will have to wait for some time. By the time it gets dried up, we will go to the next wall. And one important point is that this 1 liter paint is sufficient for this one wall. If you are going for the second coat, then you will have to get 1 more liter of paint. That is what we experienced. And also, the second coating we are planning to apply very less water while mixing, mostly 80-20, so that the color will be seen more. And after the first coating, there might be some patches, but don't worry, it will all vanish when you go for the second coating. One, two, three. Oh, hoi, hoi, hoi.
ബോഡി കൂട്ടാൻ മേട സൂര്യൻ
Now it's break time for the painters. So we have ordered chicken biryani from Meghna's. Meghna's special Hyderabadi boneless chicken biryani. So this is how it looks like if you have not tried before. So take a little biryani, mix it with raita and have it happily. Then we will be back for the next session of painting. After a power lunch, we are back to the second session. This wall is getting dried up, so I think it will take approximately 4 hours. Now it's already 3 hours. So after 4 hours, we are going to touch this for the second coating. Now we will go to the third wall. This is something which I use in kitchen to escape from the oil splatter burns. So if you guys want to get something like this for the kitchen, you can order it via Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description box. The paint gets into the wooden cabins and all. You can immediately clear it off with a wet towel. Actually, by the time we reached the second wall, we all became experts. Even from dipping onto the paint, rolling it over to the tray, everything we became experts now. Without making the paint drip, we are able to paint the wall.
Oyare, hoi hoi, hoyare, hoi hoi, 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 hoi.
After each wall, the perfection is improving like anything. The third wall looks like we need not go for a second coating because it's so perfect. Now, we are again going to the first wall. There are some patches. Don't worry, that is common. So now we are going for the second coating on the first wall. But this time, when we are mixing, we are going to do 80-20 principle. 80% of paint and 20% of water. Two additional points which I wanted to cover to you guys is that one is, if you're going for the ceiling painting, there is a paint exclusively available for ceiling painting which is more viscous, so you can go for that. Second point is that in case the paint is dripping on the floor and if you want to rub it off, so for that also there is a liquid available. To find a paint remover, you can check in the paint shop itself. If you have any queries on painting your house, please do leave a card in the comment box. If I know, I will definitely help you out. Dears, we 3 painters have completed the second coat of the first wall and you can see the perfection. It has come really good. It will take some more time to settle down so that it will get dried up, but now itself we can find how good it has come up. The results are really great. So we got the confidence. You guys can also try it at your place. And hats off to all the professional painters because it's definitely a tedious task. Chinju, hope you loved it. How was the experience?
It was really nice. I was having that chance to have this kind of an experience in our MS Paint. Now that this is a better experience.
So now we all have become professional painters. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
We have tried to provide the step-by-step information on how to paint your house on your own. So I believe this is going to help you out for sure. And it's time for us to wind up this particular episode from Anjudev Vlogs. Chinju, Shyaam, Anju signing off. Anjudev Vlogs, like, comment and
Subscribe.
subscribe.